Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down the audiobook voice on Audible. And basically I'm on computer here, I'm on the Mac app. So go over to Library and then select any one of your audiobooks. I'm going to select the first one, Brain Over Binge. And then go down to the bottom right here, press this button and it's going to open up a new window for you. And then down on the left hand side you've got a speed controller. Press into there and what you can do is either speed the voice of the audiobook up or slow it right down. You can slow it right down to half speed, so 0.5x, or you can speed it all the way up to 3.5x. For me personally, I like to listen to audiobooks around the 1.5x mark because I can get through the audiobook a lot faster but still retain all of the information that's being said. If you're listening to it at 3.5x speed, you're not going to retain much of the information from that audiobook, but you'll get through the book very, very fast. And then from there, 0.5 is just way too slow for me. From there, guys, you can actually press these buttons to change the speed, or you can either press the plus or minus. By pressing minus, it's going to drop it by 0.05, or if you press plus, it's going to increase the volume by 0.05 as well. And then back out of here and start playing your audiobook.